here I have this set of old ivory keys from a console piano, and as you can see, the keys are very dirty and there are some pencil marks. Some of them are chipped. Other than that, they look in okay condition. No cracks from what I can see. Just the chips and the markings. So my client doesn't want to do anything with these keys, and since I'm doing some work on this piano, I decided to clean them at least. So I'm going to show you a very easy way to clean ivory keys to make them look really nice without spending much time. So what I'm going to be using is this steel wool. I got this pack. There are 12 pieces inside. This is very inexpensive and the wool is very fine, so it does not leave visible scratches to the ivory. So I'm gonna clean. Now I'm not gonna buff them, polish them with a buffing wheel. I'm just gonna clean the ivory using this steel wool. So to show you the difference before and after, it will be very easy for us to distinguish between the key that I cleaned. I'll get one of the dirtiest side here. So let's get this key, for example. Let's get this one. And I'm gonna clean this one and put it back there and see the difference. So basically I'm just going back and forth. I'm not going side to side, so no circle motion, just back and forth, back and forth a few times while I'm applying a fair bit of pressure on the steel wool to be able to remove all the dirt. Maybe a little bit on the side. If I want, I can even clean the sides just like this. And also the fronts can also be cleaned. Let me see if I can adjust the camera. So this is how the fronts look like. Also clean them. That's it. It doesn't take much. You can see it looks a lot cleaner, a lot better, just using the steel wool. I'm going to put it back so we can see the difference. Okay, so here is the key. This is the one that I just did, and these are its neighbors. So this one was just as dirty as the rest. You can see in the front cleaned very well, and I can clean it even further, the front, but it already looks a lot better, and I spent just a few seconds, so I guess I can clean the entire set in less than 20 minutes.